You mentioned that you have a baby that's super wiggly, and while you're trying to change his diaper, he's just rolling everywhere and trying to sit up, and it makes changing the diaper very difficult. And I've been there. I hear you, because my son that's now 6 was the same way. And it's definitely a challenge, especially when you're changing a messy diaper. So what do? First of all, it's really important to make sure that you set up a changing station on the ground, because if you're changing them on something else, it's very possible that they'll roll off and get hurt in the process. So change them on the ground and then put a mat underneath them to protect them as well as the carpet. Also think about distractions. They can be the wrong type or the right type. The wrong type of distractions could be the TV being on in the background, or someone walking into the room, or a loud noise that's going to catch their attention and make them want to look away and get up and walk away in the middle of the diaper changing session. So do what you can to minimize those types of distractions. And good distractions would be pulling out a special toy that they only get to play with while you're changing their diaper, or something that they can hold and pay attention to. Maybe just put in their hands and play with for a minute that's not a choking hazard while you change their diaper. And if all else fails, speed is probably just your best friend. Do what you can ahead of time to get everything in place and ready so that there aren't extra steps and you could get it done as quickly as possible. Like with my son, I would get the diaper out and open it and lay it out, and sometimes even undo the tabs if I felt like that was going to make it faster. Get all the wipes that I thought I'd need out of the wipe container and set them right next to me. And then on the other side, I'd get like a grocery sack, a disposable grocery sack that I could quickly throw all the dirty stuff into, while at the same time trying to stuff the diaper underneath him and fasten and secure the sides while he was rolling around or trying to get up and walk away. Force and frustration may seem like your only option under some circumstances, but the more you react negatively to your child, the more it's going to turn into a power struggle and the harder it's going to become. The light at the end of the tunnel is that your baby isn't going to be in diapers forever, and this will end someday. Hang in there, and if you have more questions in the future for me, feel free to ask them on our Facebook page at facebook.com/Intermountain Moms, and recommend us to your friends and family too.